5.0 4-wheel drive. Power driver's seat. Roomy interior. Good gas mileage. One owner. Checks out on AUTOCHECK. All-around champ. Great truck for all seasons. This superb 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500 comes with a Vortec 5.3 L58S FI FlexFuel engine and 4-speed automatic with Overdrive. New car test drive set it. Rewards its driver with taut handling. It's well designed throughout with impressive attention to detail. The previous generation Avalanche was good. This new one is better. Life is full of disappointments, but at least this fantastic Avalanche 1500 will always be there for you and never let you down. Visit www.realdeal.com V7 V3X to view a free price check.